but I'm actually liking this big root ball. The wind's blowing this direction, and so this is a nice windbreak right here. Yeah, look at more bear prints. These are a little bit bigger. Man, that's a pretty good sized bear print. That's the front paw, that's the back paw. Whoa, the wind has blown silt over the top of this ice. It made it look like a sand dune. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Oh, those are high bush cranberries right there. Whole bunch of them. High bush cranberries are usually so tart you never want to eat them raw, but we've had a couple frosts, so they're okay. They're just a little bit bitter. You know, the weather's pretty nice. My only complaint is the wind is a little nasty. Would like to find a spot out of the wind. Man, I can really smell the salmon here. Nice little coyote print. Spot like this is actually really nice. Got the wind break to my back, but I can still get the sun.